Now, a farmer in Anhui province of China learned a devastating lesson about trusting general purpose AI for high stakes chemical advice. The 67-year-old farmer, identified as Wu, had used an AI chatbot for nearly a year. Initially, quite skeptical, he built trust in the tool after receiving helpful answers on weather trends and basic farming queries. Now, that pattern of low stakes success ended in, well, devastating disaster when he asked the chatbot for a specific chemical recipe to control weeds and pests on his sesame crop. Now, the chatbot generated a crop protection plan mixing insecticides with a broadleaf herbicide. Wu sprayed the chemical mixture across roughly 24.7 acres of his field. The herbicide was completely toxic to sesame seedlings. While mature crops take weeks to show chemical damage, fragile, newly sprouted seedlings withered and died within just 24 hours. Wu accepted the advice without verifying the recipe with local agricultural technicians because months of previous chatbot interactions had lowered his guard. General purpose AI models can generate confident, plausible language without testing if a treatment is safe for a specific crop growth stage or, for that matter, soil condition. Recognizing this risk, Nanjing Agricultural University launched Green Shield in May of 2026, which is, by the way, an open source AI model designed specifically for crop protection. Its developers explicitly warned that general purpose chatbots produce inaccurate plant protection advice and unstandardized pesticide recipes. A 2026 study in the Journal of Integrative Agriculture similarly highlighted that providing farmers with digital information only improves outcomes if the data is accurate and backed by digital literacy, which then brings us to the front page take. Now, this incident proves that general purpose AI models are fundamentally unsafe for high stakes physical applications. Chatbots do not know chemical safety, they only know language patterns. Deploying unverified AI advice into agriculture, medicine, or for that matter, heavy industry risks immediate real world damage. Now, until foundation models are strictly gated by domain specific verification layers, farmers must treat general AI as a search aid, never an agronomist. Please, this is of course a heartfelt advice that we are sharing with everyone on front page, whoever is watching this, especially the Indian farming diaspora, everyone else around the world. Please be extremely careful in terms of the advice that you might go ahead and embrace if it's coming from a chatbot. Because honestly speaking, it is something which is known to agree with you at all times. Well, please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.